Manu baong kakami balakha arngut ki khun kamla banlong ka Thei Bhabriew. Kasangita marak kakami balakha arngut ki khun na Shillong klayo bandeng pangsngat Thei Bhabriew hakajing ko bala penlong deka vok star arhajar arphulai hanong ba Jaipur haka khatsaw hadu khanriu tarik ubna yayong haba kalara ya kanam la adu. Haba kran sekilat pathai khubor Shillong kalaong ngaladon arngut ki khun bat ngabun kam hadu kata-kata baro sisngi. Kalau ong ba kala terwa banyak khun ya kani kajing yakob deka online bat la penbit penbiang ya ka deka vok ha Jaipur ban mi khmat ya ka jela Meghalaya. Ha kani kajing yakob kalau ong amdon kajing singit bat jing pet benya ya ka met ka phat ka renyeng renyot ka dur ka dar henrai kinong bishar ki pet bet thek ya kajing shampang kajing tip kajing nang banjuba ya kajing kili ka rukom yaj dondur haransan kajing phalang ka dur ka dar bagas ngos khem halade phalang kamon bajuan bat khamtam e kajing daj dur jogi rong ki rup make up ki balata bat lape haka khmat jonga hakani kajing yakop vok star arhajar arphulai ladon hadu sans pangut ki Thei Bhabriew kari India ki baya khun banyo ekanam lado ngalara ekanam lado na pedeng kini ki sans pangut ki nong yakop kalaya thu da kajing sngo sarong ngalak kemen bangami khmat eka jela mat ngandang ya khun yakum kini ki jing yakop haki por bandangwan ban penslur ki para Longkmie ban mi shamadan ban yakhun bat ban penurlong ya ki jing angnut bagi jing posni jungki ban poi shakliar kanam la penkut kasangita marak da kabar khermun da ka jing kemen.
Thank you so much for this lovely moment. I'm Sangeeta Marak, as my friend has just introduced. There was this pageant called Miss and Mrs. Bokstar, which was held in Jaipur on the 14th, 15th and 16th. It was a 3-day extravaganza, and they started this entire process in the month of sometime in January. So they held an online audition. This entire thing was held virtually actually. So it was an online audition, and I cleared the auditions. And after that, our grooming and training sessions began. And as an individual, I learned a lot of things through this pageant. It's not just a pageant, but a learning process. I believe learning never stops. So whenever we get any opportunity to learn and hone our skills and create unique identities for ourselves, I think we should just go ahead. Be it a pageant, be it any experience for that matter. So as a person, I was always inclined to beauty and fashion. As women, we all love anything that has to do with beauty and fashion. So obviously when I came across this platform online, I just went for it and I registered myself, and the rest is history. I learned a lot of things. There were plenty of experts in the team who gave us training on communication skills, makeup, ramp walk, fashion. This entire process has taught me how to love myself, how to take care of myself, and how to be self-confident. And Bokstar is a platform for women, by the women. And they're not looking for physical attributes. And the founder, Ms. Kirti Chaudhary, has basically broken the norms of stereotypes that whereby in pageants they look for a certain height, a certain shape, a certain figure. Next step is to, if women come to me and ask me things, then I'll definitely be there, inspiring. Shillong, our state as a whole, has a lot of beauties, a lot of women who are really, really beautiful. So I think I can be an inspiration to everybody, in fact mothers or girls who are single, that if I can do it, if I can go out there and win the crown for my city, you can do too. So nothing is impossible basically. It's all about building our confidence, going out there and competing, and not just sitting back and thinking that no, I cannot do, or I can't do this, it's impossible. I believe nothing is impossible. We just have to go out there and be adventurous and just be ourselves, just be happy. As long as what we are doing is not harming anybody. I think we have the right as human beings to be happy and to make our city proud, to make our families proud, and that's what I've done for my family, for my city. I'm very happy to have been selected as Miss Workstar India 2023. It was held in one of the best resorts in India, Lee Meridian Resort and Spa, Jaipur, 3-day extravaganza, and I got to meet a lot of people. I met all the professionals who trained us during this entire event. They trained us on various disciplines. I got to meet them personally, take photos, and learn. Absolutely. As a woman, I'm a single mom, and I believe being a single mom, I have a lot of responsibilities as a mother towards my family. But then I thought, life doesn't end there. We cannot just confine ourselves to family responsibilities. If we get opportunities, I think we should go out there and discover ourselves. And unless we do it, we wouldn't know what are our capabilities. So this is the reason why when I came across the registrations, I just went for it. And my mother has been my biggest support system. She's always been there looking after my children whenever I needed to go out, or in fact, whenever I go out anywhere, she's always been there supporting me, my every move, anything that I want to do. So this entire pageant and experience is all about being ourselves. As a woman, the most beautiful thing as a woman is to be able to be ourselves and not having to be answerable to anybody, but just being able to do our own thing and be ourselves and do what we like and just be happy.